welcome to Varun Techie, a place for better learning. Please do like, share, and subscribe for more interesting videos. In the last session, we have learned about for loop function and for loop with or without range function in Python. In today's session, let us learn about while loop in Python and while loop with else condition in Python. So let's go. In Python, a while loop is used to repeatedly execute a block of code as long as a specified condition is true. So here is a syntax for while loop. The loop continues to execute the indented block of code as long as the specified condition remains true. So once the condition is false, the loop exists and the program continues with next statement after the while block. So now let's see the example. See, example, counting from 1 to 5 using a while loop. So here first counter is given, mean starting number. So we have used here while loop. Counter less than or equal to 5. This is the while loop condition. Then print. So here we given increment the counter by 1 in each iteration. In this example, In this example, the loop starts with counter set to 1. The loop condition counter less than or equal to 5 is true. So the indented block of code is executed. The value of counter is printed. Then it is incremented by 1. This process continues until counter becomes greater than or equal to 5, at which the loop exists. So what happens when the loop condition is false? Let's see. So then comes else condition. A while loop can also have an else block that is executed when the loop condition becomes false. The else block is optional and is executed only if the loop condition is false, meaning the loop has completed its iterations. So let's see the syntax. Here is the syntax. So after the while condition, else condition is given. Now let's see the example. So coming to the example, the loop runs as long as the counter is less than or equal to 5 as we given the condition. So after the loop completes its iterations, the else block is executed and it prints the loop completed. The else block in while loop is useful when you have to perform some action after the loop has finished executing, regardless of whether it completed normally or was terminated by a break statement. Now, let's execute these examples in Google Colab. So, here is the example. So, here we given the counter and then while here is the condition. So, then incremented the counter by 1 in each iteration. Now, let's run the code. So, this is the output. Like first counter is given and then for each iteration it is incremented by 1. So for else condition using while loop, here in else condition we given loop completed. So now let's run this code. See, here the output is this one. We have got loop completed also, mean after the completion of executing the while condition, then it goes to else condition. In this way we can use. Thank you guys.